Hi, in this video we are going to study the topic events in probability. Basically, events in probability means it is a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space, which we call it as a event. An event is always a subset of a sample space. For more clarity, we will see some examples now. Now see, for example, two coins are tossed and the question is given as write the sample space and number of sample points for each of the following events. Here two coins are tossed is our main event, and for that two events are given. A event is to get no tail and event B is to get at least one head. Now we will proceed with the answer now. See, two coins are tossed. So when the two coins are tossed, we write sample space as capital S is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT, where the first letter represents the outcome on the first coin and second letter or alphabet represents the outcome on the second coin. And here number of sample points are 4, so n of s is equal to 4. In the previous video we have seen how to write the number of sample point and sample space. Now here our main event, for that we have written the sample space, right? Now we will consider the first event, that is event A. Event A is to get no tail. Now whenever we read any event, we will go to the sample space and we will see which outcome is having a no tail. So as per it, for the event A to get no tail, we have only one outcome as HH, because in the rest of the three outcomes, either on the first or second coin, tail is present. So only one outcome is there which is having no tail. So our answer for event A is equal to, in curly brackets, HH, and as number of sample point is only 1, so n of A is equal to 1 in this case. Similarly, for the event B is to get at least one head. Now this word at least is very important. At least means there should be one head, minimum one head should be present, maximum two heads are allowed, or any number which is greater than one is allowed. At least one, this should be read very carefully. So for event B to get at least one head, we have three outcomes as HH, HT and TH. See, we have not written TT because it is not having any tail in it, head in it. So in all these three outcomes we are having at least one head. In the first outcome there are two heads which is allowed because condition is for at least one head. So at least one is present, so these two are allowed. So from this, n of B is equal to 3, as there are 3 sample points in the event B. Thank you.